Hello everybody, this is Singular Hearings Group. This is our Trello board. Now we have completed a lot of features, so we cannot demo them all, but I will show you the most important ones. One of the main features that we implemented is the port specification. This allowed our application to run on a specific port. This was really handy in development because developers would not kind of hoard a single port, and we were all able to develop side by side. To show you, I'll use example 9030. And now if I go to this URL here, localhost 9030, and you should be able to see our web application. Now, of course, the main feature of our application is that we're allowed to strip unwanted background audio from any audio file. For example, in public, there may be bus noises, wind noises, and maybe even birds chirping in the background. With Singular Hearing, we will remove that. And of course, to be able to remove that, we will need to be able to upload a file. This is an example file, and we're also able to select a model and press denoise. And now after we have denoised it, you can see that there is 3 output for the models that we have selected. We're able to download all, but before we do that, I want to show you our trap exit. Basically, when the user wants to press upload another file, or if they want to go back to the home page, the web page will warn the user that they have not yet downloaded the file and ask for the confirmation that they want to continue, because they will lose all of the progress. So this is one of the features that we've implemented. Now, if we download the files I have here right now, and I press upload, it will not warn me again. Now that you know what our website looks like, it is also important to note that it was not always like this. For example, this upload plus button did not exist, so back then when the user wanted to upload another file, they had to press this button to go back to the home page. This was not feasible because it's not as intuitive as like a dedicated button that is easily visible. And we also added some visual clarity to add the models. So it's very intuitive. And of course, after pressing denoise, as you can see, the file name corresponds with the selected model. Back then, it kind of just replicated what was uploaded, so it was kind of ambiguous what model was applied to it. And also we added some visual clarity here with the solo play and the unison play. Back then, it was just like on the models, the text. It was just the text with no arrows, so it was not intuitive that it was actually clickable. Now it's quite obvious. Last but not least, we have also improved the download all, like the workflow. Back then the user would have to click each file and then download it individually. Now you can just press download all, and it will do as it says, download all. As you can see here. And now of course I'll show you an actual denoised file so we can get an example of how our web application performs. This will be the noisy version.
Hello, I'm Diane Sachs. I had the honor of being your Environmental Commissioner of Ontario, 2015 to 2019, responsible to report to the Ontario Legislature on energy, environment, and climate. In this very important federal election of 2019, I hope that you will vote.
I will stop there. And now, after running the denoise with our web application, this is the produced file.
Hello, I'm Diane Sachs. I had the honor of being your Environmental Commissioner of Ontario, 2015 to 2019, responsible to report to the Ontario Legislature on energy, environment, and climate. In this very important federal election of 2019, I hope that you will vote with the future in mind. Thank you.
Thank you for listening to our presentation, and I hope that you have enjoyed the showcase of our web application.